In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on word count on Google Docs. If you're working with a word limit for an assignment, an article, or any piece of writing with a specific target, having the word count visible can save time and help you stay on track without constantly stopping to check your progress. First, open your document in Google Docs so you're ready to go. To quickly see your current count, head up to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click Tools, then choose Word Count from the drop-down menu. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can open the same window instantly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD plus Shift plus C on a Mac. Either way, a small pop-up window will appear. That window gives you a snapshot of your document statistics, including the total number of words. It's a handy overview, but if you'd like to keep an eye on your count as you write, there's a simple setting that makes that effortless. In the pop-up, look for the option labeled Display Word Count while typing, and check the box. This enables a live counter so you don't have to reopen the window every time you want an update. Once you check that box, you'll see a small word count indicator appear at the bottom left of your document. It updates in real time as you type, delete, or paste text, which makes it ideal for pacing your writing and managing revisions. When you highlight a section of text, the counter can also reflect just that selection, helping you trim or expand specific parts without guesswork. If at any point the live counter feels distracting, you can turn it off the same way you turned it on. Open Tools, choose Word Count, and simply uncheck Display Word Count while typing. And remember, the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus C on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD plus Shift plus C on Mac, works anytime you want to bring up the word count window quickly. A couple of quick tips as you use this feature. Glancing at the live counter every so often can help you avoid over-editing early on, letting you get your ideas down first. Then, as you refine your draft, use the live count to meet your final target efficiently. That's all there is to it. With the word count tool and the live display enabled, you'll always know where you stand, from your first sentence to your final polish. Happy writing!